Hi, everyone. Today we're going to address a very common problem that is stiffness, tightness in the neck area, the upper traps here, the shoulders. We carry a lot of tension, a lot of stress in those areas. So we're going to work today to release those muscles and try to get a little bit more range of motion. The cervical area moves in 5 different directions. So we have flexion, extension, rotation, lateral bending, and retraction, which is the head coming straight back. So let's get started. All you're going to need is a hand towel. We're going to use that behind the neck for one of our stretches. So just kind of drape that over your knee. And when you gathered your towel together and you've got your comfortable seat, let's get started. So as usual, we're going to connect with our breath before we begin. You're going to plant your feet flat on the floor. Just let your hands rest on your knees here. We want to lengthen the spine, reach the crown of the head up towards the ceiling. Just allowing that breath to move freely through the body here. And practicing that good posture, which also helps with the whole neck thing. So when you're ready, just let your hands hang down. We're going to start with cervical rotation. So take an in-breath. As you exhale, we're just going to turn the head to the right. So we're trying to look over that right shoulder. We're relaxing the shoulders down from the ears here, relaxing the jaw. And check in with your chin position. You want to make sure that you're not looking down or looking up here. Nice neutral position, making sure we target the correct muscles here. And just breathe into it. Just allow those muscles to relax and release. When you're ready on your next inhale, let's come back to center. And then exhale, let's rotate to the other side. Check in with your chin position. Just breathe into it again. Relax the shoulders. Use your exhales to maybe help you get a little more range of motion. So each time you exhale, maybe try to turn just a little bit further when you're doing this rotation. We're not causing any pain here. It might be a little discomfort. No numbness, no tingling in the arms, the hands. If that starts to happen, just kind of back off a little bit. And when you're ready, let's come back to center. We're going to move into that lateral bending, so bring that length back into the spine. We're nice and tall. When you're ready, take an in-breath. On your exhale, you're going to bring your right ear to your right shoulder. And we're going to take the fingertips of the left hand and kind of draw them down to the floor. So we're creating a separation between the tip of the shoulder and the base of the neck here. So imagine a line here. This is where the stretch is happening. Breathe into it. Just breathe right into that space. So you can just use the weight of the head here to help you along. Or if it feels good, you can bring that right hand up and over to the side of the head and just give yourself a gentle pull over. This is such a wonderful release. You can just feel that tension just melting away here. And then when you're ready, we're going to target a different muscle here. So we're going to drop the chin towards the chest, kind of towards the armpit. Let your hand come to the back of the head if you're using the hand, and just a straight pull down. Targeting the back of the neck, the upper back here. When you're ready, bring the palm of your hand to your forehead. Use your hand, use your arm to kind of pull the head back up, push the head back up, and release. We don't want to bring the head back up using those muscles and kind of stress everything back out. Okay, when you're ready, let's move to the other side. Lengthen the spine. Take your in-breath. And exhale, left ear to left shoulder now. Reaching the fingertips of the right hand towards the floor, depressing that shoulder, creating that separation. And if it feels good, get that hand involved here. Gentle pull over. And again, with every exhale, just send the breath right into the side of the neck here. Help it along, help it release, help it relax, and release that tension. When you're ready, draw the chin down towards the armpit again. Hand comes to the back of the head. And a gentle pull straight down. Stay here if this is feeling good, or if you are ready, bring the palm of the hand to the forehead. And again, use that hand to bring the head back up. Go ahead and release that. Now we're going to grab that towel. I'm going to put it around the back of the neck and get it down as low as you can here. Nice and low on the neck. When you're ready, we're going to lengthen the spine again. Take a nice in-breath. On your exhale, you're simply going to let the head just fall back. So we're gently releasing those muscles in the front of the neck here. Just breathing into it. And you can take that towel, maybe you want to just kind of gently move the towel back and forth, massage those muscles back there. So we're just allowing the weight of the head to gently release those little muscles in the front of the neck. They work so hard for us. Gotta give them a break once in a while. And when you're ready, again, you can stay here if this is feeling good. Or if you're ready, we want to slide the towel up to the base of the skull here and then use the towel to pull your head back up straight. Again, we don't want to stress everything back out. So go ahead and release the towel to the lap. We're going to do one more. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see. And this one is retraction. So imagine this is the head and the neck here. It's a straight move back. So we're going to be pushing the head straight back. There's no flexion or extension here. We're in a neutral position. Sometimes it helps to take maybe your first two fingers here, place them on the chin, and we're going to just go straight back. And release. Again, we're going straight back. And release. So there's a muscle at the base of the skull here, your occipital muscle. And that muscle gets very tight and it can be a source of headaches. So let's do that one more time. You can put your fingers on your chin, take an in-breath, and as you exhale, just push straight back. And release. And let's go again, straight back. And release. That one takes a little bit of practice, just getting that right motion. And be gentle with yourself, be careful. I think that muscle's tight on just about every one of us. So again, just give it a lot of practice. You'll get better at it. So try this series of neck movements. See if that's helpful. If it is beneficial to you, let's go ahead and like and subscribe there and hit that bell for notifications. And we'll keep rolling. We'll keep trying to get more mobile. We'll try to release some tension in our muscles, help our balance and our strength. See you soon.